Hey everyone, Drake Denham here with the Equipment Hub. Here at our raw materials rack, just creating this video to show everyone exactly what we have available in this upcoming raw materials auction. All right, so to get started here, we're on the far left side of the rack where the vast majority of raw material is all stainless steel. That's ranging everything from round stock, flat stock, square stock, some tubing even over here as well. And as we continue to pan over, we start venturing into the aluminum inventory we have available. The vast majority is going to be 60-61 aluminum. However, there are some varying grades, 20-24, there's some 70-75 in here as well. But again, primarily all rectangular and square bar stock, as well as some round stock. We continue to venture over, start getting into some aluminum round stock, again aluminum plate here, as well as some mild steel plate. Even have some plastics here on the rack, everything ranging from like white UHMW, green UHMW, Delrin, Nylon. As we continue to pan over, we get into the steel inventory, which primarily consists of mostly mild steel. Again, definitely ranging in a variety of different grades, but mostly flat stock, some square stock, as well as some rectangular stock here. There's even some mild steel plates. Just for reference too, so this rack extends about 24 feet or so deep. Now, not every piece of material here is full length. There are definitely a lot of, partial length cut-off remnants. But those that are full length do extend all the way to the back, and there is quite a large inventory of still full length raw material. So continue to pan over here. We get into some aluminum angle, aluminum tubing, both square and round. Get into some stainless round stock, get into some splined shaft. There's even some bronze over here. Then from here, as we pan over, we get into ERW and DOM tubing, all mild steel, of course, varying grades, 1018, 1020, 1024. Also some mild steel round stock, more spline shaft. Then we get into the stainless tubing. Pan over here, show a variety of different wall thicknesses, different diameters. Continue over, more stainless steel round stock, some custom aluminum extrusion profile. Get into a little more mild steel here, also round stock, looks like some angle. And then we start venturing into the stainless steel structural profiles here. So stainless tubing, stainless, looks like angle. I don't know if I see any stainless channel. No, primarily just stainless rectangular, square, and then again some stainless angle as well, more custom aluminum extrusion profile. So I'm going to pause this video for now, and we'll go on to some of the other sections of raw material we have available. So as I move over to this cart, it primarily contains all precision ground steel bar and steel flat stock, a variety of different sizes. But as you can see here, let me see if I can get a good piece. Everything is all precision ground to tighter tolerances. But again, flat stock, square stock, rectangular stock as well. All right, moving on to the next section here. So this rack contains primarily metric stainless steel round stock, and you can see how far these lengths extend. There are some cutoffs, but there's also quite a few full length pieces as well. You can see metric sizes for OD. And then as we continue on to this rack, we start getting into a lot of the varying plastics we have available. Nolu, Nylon, Nylatron, smaller diameter Delrin, green UHMW, white UHMW, Teflon, There's some large Delrin, larger black OD Delrin. I don't think there's much of that anymore. I'll pause this and I'll go on to the next section. So as we venture into this section, just a wide variety of aluminum plate, primarily 6061, as well as some thicker plates or sheets of differing plastics. We venture into this rack here. Again, you can see thinner and thicker sheet and plate plastic. Looks like everything from Nylatron to black Delrin, some green and white UHMW, some ABS plastic sheeting, and again, more on this rack as well. All right, so on to the next section here, where we primarily have mild steel structural tubing, both square and rectangular profile, as well as this rack here containing all thread and different lead screw as well. But you can see here, these lengths are generally full length. I'd say anywhere ranging from, I don't know, let's say approximately 16 to 24 feet. But there are also some cutoffs in here as well. You can also see here some aluminum angle, some stainless, as well as mild steel round stock, stainless round stock, large rectangular profile 6061 aluminum, plastics round stock, more stainless round stock, we even get to some cutoffs here in the back just for some shorter lengths. All right, now showing off our variety of different polycarbonate Lexan sheets that are available. Most of it is around, I think it's approximately 225 thousandths thick. I assume that would be labeled as 1/4 inch, but again, just slightly under 1/4 inch thickness. And then as we continue to pan over this way, we do have some other full length sheets of polycarbonate Lexan available, as well as some cutoffs here. But as you can see, full length sheets. I believe there's even some 3/8 polycarbonate Lexan as well. All right, well, there's a general overview of all the raw materials we have available. I'd like to thank everybody for watching, and best of luck in bidding. Thank you very much. Bye-bye.